Hello everyone, I am Shilpa Sudhakaran from Hoffmann Group. I lead Key Account Management and Business Development Department at Hoffmann India. My association with Hoffmann is over 8 years now. As Hoffmann Group, Europe's #1 supplier for quality tools and a global leader in industrial excellence, we take pride in delivering precision, reliability, and innovation through our comprehensive range of industrial tools, workstations, and equipment solutions. With over a century of expertise and a strong presence across Europe and beyond, our mission has always been to empower manufacturing excellence through quality and trusted partnership. Here in India, Hoffmann Group India continues this global tradition of excellence by supporting local industries with advanced tooling solutions, technical expertise, and a strong commitment to our customer success. We are passionate about empowering Indian manufacturers with world-class technology that enhances productivity and precision. We are truly delighted to associate with VDMA, an organization that shares our values of quality, innovation, and sustainable industrial growth. As we look forward to the West India meet taking place on the 14th of November at Hyatt Regency in Pune, we are excited to connect, collaborate, and contribute to the dynamic growth of India's manufacturing landscape. Thank you for having us, and we look forward to an inspiring and productive day at VDMA's West India meet. See you there.